snowplow truck in front of us. Can you see it?
No.
You can't see it at all?
Nope.
Yeah. Whiteout conditions. I can see why they suspended snowplow operations.
I can see why they have blinking lights on the top.
Well, so that you can see this. Yep. Pretty bad. This would be rush hour right now, wouldn't it?
That sucks for all those houses that aren't built and they have like just the frames and
Yeah.
stuff.
Wow, he can't see nothing. You realize that? That guy can't see anything in front of him.
We see him.
Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna hate to get off and get gas. Oh, there's a car coming. I don't know if I should have my flag.